In February 2018, HFT, a national learning disability charity, began delivering Flintshire day and work opportunities for people with learning disabilities and providing job coach support for more than 100 people in work placements across Flintshire. Through engagement with the local businesses and charities, as at May 2019, 11 people have been supported into paid work and others have secured new volunteer placements in local hospitals, shops and businesses. Cheryl and her job coach Paula are going to tell us a bit about what it's like working with HFT and how it is helping Cheryl to live the best life possible.
We help people get into work placements or paid employment. The start of this is by getting to know the person, getting to know what interests they've got, supporting the person within that placement, completing any risk assessments, providing the training, and then gradually reducing our support once the person feels more confident and grows in what they do.
How do you support somebody once they're into their work placement?
We help people integrate within their team, help with the health and safety side of it to make sure people are fully inducted within the team, and then gradually we assess, monitor and fade our support once that person is confident.
Can you tell us a little bit about Cheryl's journey?
Cheryl has been within our service for a very long time. She's had numerous placements within Flintshire, and I would say over the years she's grown, become more confident, developed a lot, and she's reached her journey now where she's on paid employment within HFT. It's a real achievement on Cheryl's behalf.
So, you have a new job, Cheryl. Do you like it?
I just like coming into work. It's my favourite job and I like it. I like when it's the end of the month, like payday. I like all the staff here. And I just enjoy coming in, enjoying my job.
And how have the job coaches helped you, Cheryl?
They've helped me getting this job, and they've helped as well to apply for the interviews and to put the interview for the job and fill the application forms in and the DSB. And they've helped me with like the police check as well and all the forms that needs to do with the job. They help me with the training. If I haven't had a very good morning and I talk to them, if I've got any problems, I'll talk to one of the job coaches and then they like calm me down and then I'm ready for work then.
So where have you worked, Cheryl?
I was here at the training centre at Glamhaven Training Centre. The manager trained me to go out into the world, into the factory. I didn't last there long, it was only a couple of months. And then I worked doing the hampers for Christmas. But the longest job I had was, I worked for 3.5 years when I lived at home with Mum and Dad. To keep out of this job because it's a better job than you've ever had, you know.
Did you get paid for your other jobs, Cheryl?
I just get like the expenses, and then this job, the HFT, I get a good wage. I get a good wage, and I'm made up with it.
And what would you say to other people thinking about getting a job coach to help them find a job?
I'm all for it. I'm all for it. If they've got learning difficulties like I've got, they need to get in touch with one of the job coaches because they can help them. If they've got any problems, they can talk to them. And if they're a bit down or they've got any worries, they talk to them, have a chat with them before they start work. And then they do like a pop-in. Well, when I worked at Chris Eleanor, I had a job coach, and then she did a pop-in and then went on to another place. And then they come back and they say, well, how's things gone the other day? And they said then they say everything's gone all right. But they always have, when people got learning difficulties, they always have a job coach, because if they've got any issues, the job coach comes back, and the place where they're working, they ring the job coach up, and then the job coach comes back in, and then they have a talk to yourself.
We facilitate the Voices to be Heard meetings, which gives people the opportunity to talk about their placements, any concerns that they may have, share their experiences. We run a job club, so people new to the service, quite a lot of young ones who are coming through college. It gives them a chance to be job ready. We're in the process of setting up the first Project Search in Flintshire.
With a proven track record, Project Search will support a group of young people aged 18 to 24 with learning disabilities to become interns and train in work placement roles for 12 months with the aim of finding paid employment. HFT is developing partnerships with public, private and voluntary sector organisations to create new work, education and leisure opportunities for people with learning disabilities, and as at May 2019 has generated more than £30,000 in additional fundraising income for reinvestments in services. Working in this way, we want to ensure that many more people with learning disabilities in Flintshire can flourish and thrive, like Cheryl.